An advanced devotee of Krishna understands his eternal relationship with the Lord. And seeing the deity as the Lord himself, he establishes an eternal relationship with the deity based on loving servitude to him. So an advanced devotee means a bhava bhakta. He's on the level of bhava bhakti or prema, and he realizes his sitadeya in a particular stahi bhav. He may be a sakha, a coward boy, and sakhi ras, friendly relation as a friend, or he may be in the mood of a mother or father, or which is not so much in our sampradaya, but he may be in the mood of a gopi, pran sakhi, mandri bhav, bhavalas rati, where he wants to serve Radha and Krishna like the Goswamis or like Rupa Manjari. And at the level of bhava, of course, his sitadeya is revealed that he's so-and-so Manjari, or rather he or she, whatever. Maybe a man externally or a woman, but internally, sitadeya, spiritual body, is a Manjari, a Sakhi, spiritual form. And then the deity is not the deity, but it's my Krishna. It's the Nikunja Devata. He's the Lord of the Nikunjas. He's Rasa Bihari, the Lord of the Rasa dance. And Girivadradari. And so when I'm serving him in Anugatya, in allegiance to, Sakir Anugatya, I'm serving him, Krishna, in allegiance to Radharani and the gopis. And I'm serving Radharani. So this is the highest end. So he establishes an eternal relationship with the deity based on loving servitude to him. Understanding Krishna to be the eternal form of bliss and knowledge, a faithful devotee makes a permanent arrangement for deity worship, installing the Lord's form made of, for example, stone, wood, or marble. What's being said here, to understanding Krishna be the eternal form of bliss and knowledge, a faithful devotee makes a permanent arrangement for deity worship, installing the form of the Lord. So Prabhupada is that faithful devotee. His faith is Sudrita Nishchoy. His faith is completely strong and deep. And so he established the worship of Radha Shyam in Vrindavan, which is his eternal home. He's a Nitya Parishad. Eternal home means Nitya Parishad. He's a Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Radharani. So then he established Radha Shyam Sundar, and no one will challenge, pretty much, except some people that really have mamata for their own deities. But most people will accept the fact that Radha Shyam Sundar are the most beautiful Radha Krishna deities in the entire world. Radha Shyam Sundar ki jai. It's a very interesting phenomenon that people have deities all around the world, and so many people have deities in their houses that they worship very nicely with great devotion and love. At the same time, they have a picture of Radha Shyam Sundar. Somewhere on some wall, they have a blow-up in the dining room, or the living room, or in the bedroom, or in the temple room. Everyone has 8 by 10 or some picture of Radha Shyam Sundar. I mean, we do ourselves in our room, in our bedroom. So we have our own Ishtadev, our own Kula Devata, family deity, and all these things. But nevertheless, we had the opportunity. In the past, we had the opportunity to serve them personally with artik and bathing and massaging their forms, and so we have some few drops of mercy from their ocean of mercy came on this unfortunate one.